in this lesson, we'll be learning how to create this AR. So in this AR, I've got my eye colors in a different color. Like my eyes are actually black, but I made one eye blue and one eye purple like this. See? It looks really like a cat, right? I look very beautiful in that. So I also got another things like this. You can see both eyes in the same color called purple. So this is what we'll be creating, and let us start. So now as you can see, this is our new project, and here we'll be creating this. So first you have to click on this plus icon and go to face effects, and over there add eye color. You can see this is how it looks. Green eyes. Good. Now how will I make separate colors to my eyes? And after that I will put this inside here and this inside here. Good. Then I also want another one like this. Let us make the color eyes both into different colors, because we only got green and blue, right? So let us add also another one. So let's add orange and green. It's like green and orange, or orange and green, any color works. So now I've also got orange and green done. So I've got 4 types of both eye colors. Good. And then I'm going to duplicate this and make the colors separate eyes to both. Let me make this both eyes. So now what I need to do is make type 1 to remove this, right? Click on this, make eye color to what color? Let's see. Make blue for both eyes and make the alphabet C here first. Pink is like purple, so there's no point of adding purple. So I got 6 types of separate both eyes. And separate eyes are only 4, right? I think. Yes, correct. Now let's add textures. So let's add textures, not normal colors. So let me first add these sources. So I got one blue eye and one purple eye texture. Now what I have to do is duplicate the color eye both. And then I have to open it and just remove 3 to 6 because I just need 2, and then rename this out. I look like a cat in that eyes, right? Something like a cat. And then let me also make purple. So I also need purple eye. So that also looks amazing. And add the remove type 2, make type 1s both eyes to right eye, and let me add blue color in right eye, duplicate, and this left eye to purple. Good. So that is our whole scene, and I hope you like this AR. And if you want to learn more, then subscribe to my classes, and I'll see you next time. Bye!